Today we will break down why almost breaks beginners and how to start entering only when the market actually gives you conditions. Most of the time people enter not because there is a real signal but because an almost signal is dangerous because it looks reasonable but it doesn't give you an edge. 3 signs of an almost signal I skip. Here are my personal red flags. Important: a clear signal doesn't guarantee a win but it guarantees you did the right action. Hey friends, Ravi here. There is one thing that quietly drains accounts more than anything else. Not greed, not fear, not even the lack of a strategy. It's the almost good signal. That moment when you look at the chart and think, looks kinda right, almost okay, I will enter. And those trades are the ones that most often end in a loss because almost isn't a setup. It's a compromise you make just to take action. So that we will break down why almost breaks beginners and how to start entering only when the market actually gives you conditions. If you want more breakdowns and useful info, check my Telegram link in the description. Number 1. Almost shows up when you are trading boredom. Most of the time people enter not because there is a real signal but because they have been waiting too long. It feels like they must take a trade. They fear missing a move, and that's when the brain starts drawing things in. This is kinda level. These things sort of like a reversal. There is a wick, so yeah, but the market doesn't pay you because you are bored. It pays for precision. Boredom isn't a reason to enter. Boredom is a trigger for mistakes. Number 2. Why an almost signal is worse than no signal. When conditions aren't fully there, you are entering a situation where structure is weak, confirmation is incomplete, probability is lower. Any small noise breaks the idea. And the biggest problem, when it loses, you get angrier because deep down you know you didn't have to enter. That often starts a chain reaction, another trade trying to get it back, speeding up chaos. An almost signal is dangerous because it looks reasonable but it doesn't give you an edge. Number 3. 3 signs of an almost signal I skip. Here are my personal red flags. Red flag number 1. There is a place but no reaction. Price reached a level, okay, but there is no real response, no buying pressure, no rejection, no candle, confirmation. That's a point on a chart, not a scenario. Red flag number 2. You can't explain the entry in one sentence. If your thought processes sound like, well, kinda, because, maybe, that's not a plan, that's hope. Red flag number 3. The market is uncertain. Small candles, lots of wicks, choppy movement. In that environment, you can find a signal in any direction, but most of the time it's just a noise. I would rather skip 10 doubtful situations and take one clear one than do it the other way around. 4. What a clear signal really means. A clear signal is when 3 things match. 1. Context: the market is in a readable state. Impulse or clean correction. Number 2. Place: price is at a zone where reaction makes sense. Number 3. Confirmation: a candle or sequence shows who is taking control. That's when the entry becomes not guessing but decision by facts. Important: a clear signal doesn't guarantee a win but it guarantees you did the right action. And over a series, that's a create stability. Number 5. A mini exercise to kill almost before entering. Say out loud, if I don't enter now, I will still be fine. It sounds simple but it shuts off FOMO, and when FOMO is off, you see the market cleaner. One more thing, if you're unsure, that's already your answer. Uncertainty means the conditions aren't fully there. Beginners lose money not because the market is evil but because they enter on almost instead of waiting for yes. Consistency starts with ability to skip and with respect of movements when the market didn't give conditions. If you want more breakdowns, useful info and trader mindset examples, check my Telegram link in the description. Subscribe to the channel and remember, one clear trade is better than 10 almost good ones.